with parent support, we can do love marriage. Because in love marriage there are two partners who can decide their future, and they also know about each other. So according to me, love marriage is.
My point is in her, like in her model, she had said like so many love marriages are there, they are failed. Like she had said that so many love marriages are there, there are so many love marriages are there. So many marriages are there which are failed. You know, sir, why? According to me, arranged marriage is good. You know why? Because the marriage is not only not only joining of two lives of a boy and a girl. It is a joining of a whole family. Two family meet with each other, like talk with each other, and means relate their thoughts, and after that the marriage takes place. And it doesn't also happen that like they are not asking the boy, they are not asking the girl, so they take some time, some 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and also give one day for going to date. Like they can talk with each other and can relate their thoughts. If they are not any problem, so they can end that relation and can find another girl and another boy for that girl or that boy. It happens, but in love marriage what happens sometimes they are being in the peace and they are been showing that we are in relation, we can do that thing, they are cutting their hair, they are doing this thing, they are doing that thing. It's according to me, in the study ages, just focus on your study. When marriage will come, the parents will find a good girl for you and good boy for you, and give you one time for relating your thoughts with him or her. It is good, but the love marriage is not good.
As you said that love marriage is mostly money-based, and
Some people are some.
I'm talking about mature relationship, not about nibali peace, teenage love. I know this age is
It is not necessary that teenagers are only there who are doing, but it is like so many like adults are also there. They are so many adults are also there. They are showing that we are in relation. They are cutting their, according to first, you have to give first priority to your parents, because your parents still to doing this now. And after that, after when you are coming in this world, you can talk to that girl. Yes.
Disrespect anybody. I said love marriage with parents support. I didn't say
It's
love
arranged marriage, sir. It is arranged marriage.
It's not arranged marriage. It's all about what do you want in your life? Which kinds of husband you want? Which kinds of personality? Which kinds of partners do you want in your life? Sometimes, कभी माँ बाप से भी गलती हो जाती है choice करने में.
Seldom parents also make a mistake.
Parents also commit mistake. Yes. So that's my point. Okay.
This is actually like also arranged marriage. So it's like the parents support that. If the parents supporting the girl or boy, then we are with you. You can do the match with that girl or that boy. It's arranged marriage, sir.
Okay.
If the both families coming here and it's talking with each other, it is arranged marriage according to me. It is not love marriage. No, I didn't go. When I'm putting my word again and again. There was. I'm saying like.
Did I say
No,
something?
please let me continue first of all. There was that. I was saying sir, that when love marriage, but the love marriage, that there's so many love marriages are also there. Some which are failed. Like what happens sir? बाद में शादी के 2-3 साल बाद 4-5 साल में after the marriage of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, means the fighting take place between the girl and boy. That means the discomfort take place between the boy and girl, and they took the divorce.
So, according in arranged marriage, you said all about in love marriage, all things negative points in love marriage.
Of course I will say.
Of course, because you are favoring in arranged marriage. But if I'm talking about if arranged marriage, if any mistake with parents, so parents say ये तो तेरी किस्मत नहीं था. So what do you think about this?
It an old generation of 1990s and 2024.
No, there's also these
It is
things also happen in middle class families.
2024. It is 2024.
I
The
know,
girl is
Sandy.
no. If the girl knows that what is
I
like what.
know. Please let me complete. Because there are so many middle class people who think this kinds of mentality.
हो गया?
नहीं सर मतलब वो बाद में ये बोल देते हैं कि अब तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी अब तुम संभालो ठीक है
Honest, it is your responsibility.
हाँ it's your responsibility it's your now you have to handle all of these things हमने अपनी कुछ जिम्मेदारी पूरी कर चुके हैं we have completed our responsibilities sir मेरे को टॉपिक yes
हो गया ना? पक्का?
no give me answer not explanation just give me answer short answer
I'm
ये
giving
सब ये
an
बोलिए
answer.
आपके ब्रैकेट आते हैं ना उसमें ज्यादा
I'm giving an answer. Sir, that's why the girls are weak. That's why girls mind.
मतलब
You know what they say? What they say? संस्कार. मेरा पति मेरा देवता. What these things are there? If your parents get married with that, sir, if that girl had married with that boy, so use your laws. This constitution.